Hey guys, welcome to Excel channel. Now we are moving forward to financial functions and formulas in Excel. So first video was about the overview of these functions like PMT, nper, rate and etc. So in this video we are going to explore PMT function. So you are going to learn the basics and to the advanced functionality of this function. If you are looking for this video, then please follow on in upcoming minutes. You're gonna learn so much about PMT function in Excel. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do it, because in upcoming days we are going to explore more and more functions about finance, statistics, mathematical and much more in this channel. So let's get started. And here we have a amount which is the same. Okay, so we are not changing much of a number here, but this demonstration is only let you have a grip on these functions. So amount is this, the interest is 6%, and we have a term which is 10. Let me just say it is in years. Okay, let me just remind you that. So down payment is 30% here. So down payment, we have got a 30% here, and the down payment, we need to find the down payment here. Okay, so you must have the guidelines outline about these such numbers, but rest you need to find. The down payment will be very easy, right? Like this, and there you go. So down payment will be 90,000. It's very straightforward. Okay, so what we have done here is we have just multiplied the amount with the down percent such that we can find the down payment amount. And so amount loan will be the amount minus down payment here. So there we go. There you go. So amount loan here will be $210,000 rupees, or however you want to convey. So now we are going to find the monthly payment here. So you should emphasize on the part monthly here. Okay, like we have done here. So just pause the video here. Let me see if you can perform such calculation by yourself. Just pause the video here and do that with me by finding the monthly payment here using only and only PMT function. So let's get to the answer. Hope you find that. So here is the PMT function here. So we have a rate here. So rate is 6%. So I am assuming that it's an annual. So we divide by 12 here. Why? Because we are finding a monthly payment here. And in the next part we have a number of periods which should be in months, but we have in years. So you just need to multiply that number with the number of months in a year. So you must know how many number of months are there in a year. So here you go, by 12. And in the next part we have a principal amount here. So the present value of amount to be loaned is this, right? And just close it down. But we have one more concept which I am going to cover in the following minute. So let's see what it says. So it says minus 2331 rupee here. So you can change that if using the format cells here, and go to the format cell like this and make it your own currency right here, like I am doing with a dollar part. So mortgage rates are annual here, right? And the terms are stated in years. The argument for the rate and periods are registered in this example using by 12 or multiply by 12 itself. So the present value comes from this, right? And this is the present value because we have paid the down payment here. So present value have come from this. So if you want to make it a positive number, because since a loan represents money owed, so money owed is a cash outflow. So this is a cash outflow, that's why it's in negative amount here. But if you want to make it a positive here, you can just put a minus sign here, operator, so it make it a positive here. Hope you understand how this particular function works. And if you want to make it a positive, you can also use the ABS function also, which we have covered in the lookup functions also. So that was the second part where we have calculated the mortgage payment in Excel using PMT function here. And if you have learned something from this video, please click the like button. And if you want to watch more functions like this, then you should click the subscribe button to follow along all the videos we are going to upload in upcoming months. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please, and if you want to share this video to your colleague, friends or family, then use the share button. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.